First, yarn over, make a knot. Insert the hook. Directly chain the 11. After finishing, find the back loop of the second chain from the hook. This is the first chain. This is the second chain. Find the left-hand half of the loop. Crochet into it. Go back to the second chain. First, pull through. Crochet 1 single crochet SC. Place a marker in the next stitch. Also crochet 1 single crochet into the half loop. After 2 single crochets are done, yarn over, next stitch. Crochet a half double crochet HDC. Pull the yarn through. Pull through all 3 loops on the hook at once. This is 1/2 double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook through. Pull the yarn through. Pull through all 3 loops at once. These are 2 half double crochets. Continue to crochet 5 double crochets DC. After 5 double crochets are done, into the last stitch, crochet 6 double crochets. 6 double crochets into the same stitch. Six double crochets into this stitch after finishing. Then in the next stitch, go directly to the next stitch to crochet. Don't crochet into this stitch anymore. Yarn over, next stitch. Also a double crochet. Crochet a total of 5 double crochets. After finishing, crochet to half double crochets. Yarn over. Pull through all loops at once. Okay, to half double crochets. After finishing, crochet 2 single crochets into the last 2 stitches. To reverse stitches, note, likely a slip of tongue, meaning single crochets. After finishing, slip stitch sew straight to the first stitch. Then cut the yarn. The hole here is quite big, right? There's a yarn tail here at the back. Weave it around through these stitches once. To tighten this center loop, pulled like this. You can also weave through a few more stitches. Weave it over to this side. This loop is then tightened. You can add a little glue and cut it, or just cut it directly, One bunny ear is already made. Makes 2 ears in total. Using the same method, make 1 more. After making it, weave in the yarn tail at the bottom. After weaving it in from here, find a spot to weave in the yarn tail for a few stitches, and it's done.